If you stay awake after 2 a.m. every night, your body slowly gets weaker. Your energy drops, fat burning slows down, and your muscles recover much slower. Even testosterone levels can decrease over time. But when you sleep 8 full hours, your body repairs itself naturally, restores energy, and helps muscles grow stronger. Try fixing your sleep for 7 days and feel the difference.
Like and subscribe to the channel for more amazing content.
Stop doing push-ups like this right now. This mistake is secretly destroying your shoulders. Most people push with their elbows way too wide, and that creates dangerous pressure on the joints over time. Instead, keep your elbows closer to your body. Your chest works harder, your shoulders stay safer, and your push-ups instantly become stronger. Try this form today and feel the difference immediately.
Like and subscribe to the channel for more amazing content.
Your body is silently begging for help. Sitting too long slows your blood flow. Sleeping late destroys your recovery hormones. Drinking less water makes your brain work slower. But just 30 minutes of movement daily can change everything. More energy, better focus, stronger body. Fix your habits before your body forces you to.
Like and subscribe to the channel for more amazing content.
Your push-ups are secretly killing your muscle gains right now. Bad form destroys your shoulders and removes chest activation completely. But the real damage starts after 2 a.m. Late night scrolling kills recovery, drains testosterone, and slows muscle growth every single night. Fix your form, sleep earlier, and your body will transform faster than you think.
Like and subscribe to the channel for more amazing content.
Your body is slowly dying. Every time you sit too long without moving, your blood flow becomes weaker. Your muscles slowly start shrinking. Even your spine gets damaged over time. But fixing this is actually very simple. Stand up every 30 minutes, stretch your body for a few seconds, then walk for 1 full minute every day. Your future self will seriously thank you.
Like and subscribe to the channel for more amazing content.
These 3 innocent habits are quietly destroying your health every single day. First, drinking coffee right after waking up crashes your hormones and ruins metabolism. Second, looking down at your phone starves your brain of proper oxygen. Third, checking screens in bed stops fat burning while you sleep tonight. Fix these now. Subscribe to unlock your body's true potential.
Like and subscribe to the channel for more amazing content.
Your body is suffering. Reset it in 24 hours with these steps. Morning, drink warm lemon water to flush toxins and ignite metabolism. Day, stop sitting, move every hour and use perfect push-up form. Night, no late night eating, sleep early to boost fat-burning hormones. Start today. Subscribe to build your best self.
Like and subscribe to the channel for more amazing content.
Your brain reacts before you do. Watch closely. Look at the center of the screen. In a few seconds, your brain will predict the next movement before it happens. Most people don't notice this at first, but your eyes and brain are already reacting automatically. Keep watching carefully. Did your brain predict it before you realized?
Like and subscribe to the channel for more amazing content.
Start your day with morning yoga to boost energy and improve focus. It's simple, just a few minutes. Helps your body feel refreshed and ready to go. Try this flow and enjoy the positivity. Make it a habit. Feel the change.
Like and subscribe to the channel for more amazing content.
If you wake up tired every single morning, your body is warning you. That constant exhaustion is not normal. Too much screen time, bad sleep, and zero movement slowly destroy your energy every day. But one simple morning habit can change everything. Drink water, stretch your body, and move for just a few minutes. Start treating your body right before it forces you to.
Like and subscribe to the channel for more amazing content.
One cigarette enters your lungs, and your body reacts instantly. Toxic smoke burns through your airways while oxygen levels start dropping fast. Your blood thickens, forcing your heart to work harder every second. Inside your brain, nicotine triggers addiction almost immediately. Meanwhile, damaged lung cells begin mutating silently. This is what smoking really does.
Like and subscribe to the channel for more amazing content.
Your body loses energy the moment you do this every single morning. Checking your phone right after waking up destroys your focus and drains your brain instantly. That's exactly why you feel tired, lazy, and unmotivated almost every day. Instead, drink water, stretch your body, and get sunlight for at least 1 minute. Your energy
Like and subscribe to the channel for more amazing content.